I wanted to show you an example of how to use RefWorks, and you may know this already, but it'd be probably beneficial to anybody else in the class that hasn't used RefWorks very much. And as I mentioned in class, I'm just starting to use it. I'm beginning to move all of my sources over into RefWorks, and it's going to help them. It's kind of like cleaning your house. You go through all these references you have, and you start to look at ones going, you know what, there's really no reason to keep that, so I can delete it or just not include it in this particular database. I'm going to start with hitting the plus sign, and I'm going to create a new reference. Now, I happen to already know it's an article, and I happen to already have the title of it. And the neatest part about RefWorks is if that title is typed in fairly accurately, you're going to see the exact reference, and then I can click on that, and there it is. It pops into my inventory already. The only thing I need to do is, if I have the hard copy, and I do, I can take that and I can put that in there to where it's also saved in the document. And you'll see it right there as it uploads. As soon as it's finishing uploading, I will save it, and then you'll see it appear over here. So I'm going to do that now. And it'll go through this process for a few minutes, depending on how big the PDF is that's been put in there. It usually takes just a few minutes or hopefully a few seconds for it to finish up. But as you can see, it's already here in my list of references, and I already know. And as you know, it's much more advantageous to try to find an article that has full text to it, but there are options for finding the full text. And there it is. You can see it all there. And you can click on that to actually read the PDF. So really, that's all there is to getting a reference in there. You can also import, export, and that works too. But sometimes it's kind of difficult depending on the formatting. I try it when I can, but sometimes it's easier just let RefWorks find it, and I can redo it in there. So.